Hi, this is Christy Hubler with FabricatedFrames.com with the sewing tutorial how to make male dog diaper belly bands for pug size here. I'm making this for my boyfriend's parents, pugs, and male dogs. And this, I'm showing how to do the pocket. We had put the Velcro on, we did the panels, I joined the panels on both end caps, if you will, and now I'm going to sew the elastic. I made the elastic pocket box stitch line, and now we're joining. As you can see here, I zigzag stitched both ends of the elastic, and now I'm stretching. And this is hard because I'm having to use a body part on my torso to stretch this out and hold while I stitch around the stitch line to hold the elastic in place.